So hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to master page layouts, margins, and also set your page breaks in your Word document. So to make sure that you're working with a good and well organized paper. If you're working with you're writing your essay or your report, this is the best place for you to 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 learn Microsoft Word tips. So the first thing that I will do is I will start with the page layout. I will show you how to set your page layout. So you will go to this section that has the layout. Now click on the layout tab up here. Then here you have the uh, set up your pages. So you have the page size, the page size that you want to use. So let's say, for example, you want to put your paper in A4. You will just select A4, then your paper will automatically go into A4. If you also want to have more paper sizes, you can go to this tab, then click on more. Then here you can also go ahead and click on the layout, then uh, have different customization on this side. You can also have the paper that you want. Is it A4? Click on this. Is it legal statement, executive, A3, A4? You have so many options here that you want to select, so you can customize your paper more than that. You can also pick the customized size. Then you can go to the margins. You can put that there. And talking about margins, mine are already set in centimeters. If you're working with inches, you can also change your units into centimeters uh, um, or other units that you want to use. So, but I am using centimeters. If yours is giving you inches and you want to work with centimeters, for you to activate that, you just go back. Let me close this so that I can show you how you activate your units. You just go back to the File tab, then go to this section where you have the option, then click on Advanced. Once you click on Advanced, you will go and scroll down. Then there's this section that shows Display. Then you have these show measurements in units of. Mine I've already selected the centimeters, so you have the inches, you have the centimeters, you have the millimeters, of points, and you have pickers here. So you can go ahead and pick the centimeters if you're working with them comfortably, or you can also just stick to the inches if you can apply them. Then once done, you click OK. So that's the first thing that you've learned is how to set your paper into the perfect layout that you want, so that your paper looks quite nice and the way you want to print it. You can also change the orientation of your paper. You can this one is portrait, so if I click on landscape, immediately this paper changes to another version and it looks. If I click on portrait, it will still go back to the A4 the way we said. Then going ahead to the margins you can also set them. I've shown you, just click on the layout, then you can go to this section, then you can choose the margins that you want to use. For example, here you have the last custom settings. Then if you find out that you've been given specific margins to set for your document, you go down here and you have the custom margins. Then you can customize your margins here. You have the top, the left, you have the top, the bottom, and the right. Then you also have the gutter down here. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and click OK. And at the same time, you can also customize the paper, the layout, the paper, and all that. Is it an F4 or what? Then for you to access these features here, you can also click on this launch button down here. Once you click on it, it takes you to this section where you can now go ahead and set up your paper. The other thing that I want us to learn is applying the page breaks in your Word document. So let's say, for example, you want your introduction to be on one page, on the next page. Just put your cursor there like that. Then you can go to Home tab or Insert tab. Then click on Page Break. Once you click on Page Break, you can see your content goes to the next page. Then you can also take this section to the next page by clicking Page Break like that. Then it goes. Then for you to see that your paper has page breaks in it, you can also take the table of content to the next page like that. And for you to see that you have page breaks in your document, you go back to the Home tab here, click on the Home tab, then go ahead and click on this thing that says Show Paragraph Marks and Other Hidden Formatting Symbols. Once you click on it, it shows this is the page break. Then there's also the page break here. There's another page break there. So that one becomes very easily. Now you can move your content on different pages using the page break. Then you can also remove the unwanted spaces in between your documents using the page this feature that is here. So you just click there and then you take it back to make sure that the margins fits very well. So to make sure your document is well edited, and that is how you can use page layout tools, margins, and page breaks in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, more Microsoft Word tips are coming your way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.